everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I do hotel reviews all around the world. I give the most authentic feedback based on my own staying experience. I would also share with you guys about the membership benefits for staying with different hotel groups. If you need any information regarding hotels, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In today's video, I'm going to have a hotel review on Holiday Inn Express, Sydney Macquarie Park. It is located in the heart of the major commercial precinct in the northwest of Sydney. The location of the hotel makes it ideal for serving business and residents in North Ryde, Macquarie Park, and the Riverside Corporate Park. So the hotel is within walking distance to Macquarie Shopping Centre and Macquarie University.
Doors opening.
Let's look at the evacuation plan first. Our room is here. As we can tell from the evacuation plan, most of the room has the same size. Our room hasn't been upgraded, but for those in-room features, it basically has everything here. Indoor closet with a large mirror here, and there we've got a hairdryer, clothes hangers, iron and iron board in this small cabinet. We've got a private toilet. It's very clean and tidy. It's like a brand new toilet to me. Also offered all different kinds of towels, large bottle of body balm and hand body cleanser, and 2 glasses up there. In the shower room with bottles of hair wash, conditioner and hand body cleanser. Got this in-room safe, but I don't think this safe is working. If I pull this one out, and we can see there's no battery inside. So this one is not working at all. Down here we got 2 coffee mugs, kettle. There are some complimentary coffee and tea supplies. We got some coffee, instant coffee here, and the blue bags, those are decaf coffee, and some tea bags in the middle, some sugars on the right side. Down here we've got this small refrigerator. Let's check it out. It's basically empty, but there are 4 milk capsules there. This is our queen bed, and then we've got these pillow options as well. There are 2 kinds of pillows. One is firm and another one is soft. I've noticed that because this one, the cover says it's soft, but it's really firm, and the other one it says firm, it's really soft. So I guess they have put the wrong covers for the different pillows. Remember in my last video in Kimpton Margot Sydney Hotel, we've also got this one. It's from IHG Hotel. It says basically if you escape the housekeeping and hand out this card out the door, you will get an extra 500 IHG rewards points. We've got this work desk with a lime over the head and a chair here. I really want to talk about the IHG Rest Assured card. IHG Clean Promise is IHG's clean program, which was launched in 2015. It was developed in partnership with Ecolab and Diverse, both are world leaders in hygiene and cleaning technologies and services. So with the IHG Clean Promise, guests are reassured that if the room is not well maintained and clutter-free, they will promise to make it right. Now we're going to check out the fitness room and the laundry room. Thank you. We're going to the car park. check out very soon. I'd like to share the highlight and lowlight for staying with this hotel. Before I get started, just a heads up, in the following weeks I'm going to have hotel reviews on Hilton Noumea, Doubletree by Hilton Noumea, Intercontinental Sydney, and another mysterious Intercontinental. If you're interested in any of those hotels, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This hotel is really a smart hotel. It offers a very convenient location and a contemporary accommodation with such a smart price. All the Holiday Express hotels offers complimentary continental breakfast for all those guests. Even though it's not that fancy, but they have a lot of options such as different kinds of bread, scrambled eggs, etc. It is quite good within this smart price. For the low light, I'd like to say the location is not a tourist-friendly location. So if you want to go to all those Sydney attractions, it might not be the best choice because it's quite far away from Sydney CBD. Talking about membership benefits, as an IHG Platinum member, I've received this letter when I checked in, and it told me like I've got 500 points, which was rewarded to my account before I checked in, and it offers late checkout to me, but I didn't need to do so. So this is not applicable to me this time. So basically, I've only got 500 points for this day. Yeah, that's fair enough though. Overall, it's a good hotel for business travelers. In my next video, I'm going to have a hotel review on Hilton Noumea. If you're interested in that hotel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.